It is once again time for the Law on You with the area's premier attorneys, Ed Ciarimboli and Brian Corcoran. Uber, Lyft, all those rideshare things, all things that all of us use.
Yes, and they become more and more complicated and complex. So this is a very good question. As the popularity has risen, so has the problems.
Yeah, Robert in Waverly wrote this one in, and he says, I was riding in an Uber when the driver went through a red light. I have some really bad injuries. Can I go after Uber?
You can go after Uber. So one of the things, though, that Uber will do is they will deny that driver was their employee.
Really? Wow.
Yes, they will. I mean, we've had a number of Uber and Lyft cases, and so they will say, look, they're independent contractors, and because they're independent contractors, we're not responsible for their conduct. That's not accurate. Under the law, they may not be an employee, but they're an agent.
Yeah.
So Uber is ultimately going to be responsible for providing coverage in this particular case, and then ultimately compensating you as a result of what their agent did to injure you.
And the other thing that you have to look at, because this is basically an automobile case, if the Uber driver does not have enough coverage, you could recover monies off of your policy and your premiums will not go up. They call it underinsurance. So look at your own policy. That's very important that you have sufficient coverage on there, because you could collect off of Uber and their driver and then go toward your own policy if the injuries are sufficient.
Yeah, a lot of moving parts in cases like this now.
Yeah, remember, results matter with Fellerman and Ciarimboli, and if you wanted your question answered, all you have to do is visit the websites right there on your screen or give the hotline a call.